Okay, all waxed up. Best I can. We're cleaned out in there the best it can be done. It's not going to be long for a startup now. So I'll go ahead and reassemble the top end of it and go from there. Got a nice gloss on it with that coat of wax. So I suppose in the next segment we'll power it up and see if it's going to run. Almost forgot one important thing though during cleanup. Couple of things actually. Gotta do the 303 protectant on the line set insulation. It's only right. And I was told on my midsummer cleanup I could have used coil cleaner. Indeed I do in the big spring cleanup. So there's that. And then I can wipe that down just a little bit more. Make sure we're looking absolutely splendid. And hoping we're going to have a successful startup. And of course I got to put a little bit of wax on the disconnect. Polish that up just a touch. Oh, look at that shine. Looks like brand new. Got power again. So I suppose I can do what I did last year and put the mic down by the compressor and give her a startup. Yeah, you can see the fan. Let's go in and flip the thermostat, see what happens. Hopefully everything comes on as normal with that wire and capacitor replacement. But who knows?